With $100 billion market size in 2019 and 30x growth in just 10 years, enterprise SaaS is a fast-growing industry. But these companies lose over $12 billion of revenue every year because of customer churn. And the way this industry is growing, this annual churn is going to cost $50 billion in the next 5 years. While there are various reasons for churn, a common root cause is customer requirements are not delivered on time. And this happens because of information loss among different teams. Let me unpack this for you. Imagine there is a patient in an ICU, surrounded by doctors and nurses. These experts have to talk to each other in a perfectly coordinated way because any information loss here, like the nurse hearing wrong instruction or giving the treatment late, can result in a fatal situation. Similarly, in enterprise SaaS companies, information loss among sales team, customer success team, and the product team leads to a disconnect on what the customer requirements are and how to prioritize them. This leads to go-live delays or mismatch with customer expectations, leading to 1 out of 3 customers leaving. Hi, my name is Rupesh Rao, and I started CogniSaaS to solve this industry challenge after spending 2 decades in this industry and experiencing these challenges myself from both sides of the table. Let me show you how we have solved this problem with the experience of one of our customers in the fintech space. They had 50 customers at various stages of onboarding. And for each customer, they had a Word document to track the business requirements. They used Excel to track the implementation status, and they used Jira for tracking product requirements. Every Monday morning, customer success team, implementation team, and the product team got together to review which projects were not on track. For this, they had to dig into those 50 Excel sheets, 50 Word documents, and a whole bunch of tickets in Jira, and then exchange these notes over endless Zoom calls to figure out where they stood. On top of this, the customer tasks and the project status reporting were scattered over emails and different Excel sheets. This was chaos. This led to project delays, escalations, and eventually customer churn. This is where CogniSaaS comes in to enable these teams to track, prioritize, and deliver customer requirements in one place. Now, our customer doesn't need to use those 50 Word and Excel sheets anymore. And our dashboard is also integrated with their Jira and shows everything they need to know in one place. And we did not stop there. We crunched all this data to build recommendations for their leadership team with top 3 actions to minimize their revenue risk with just 1 click, which used to take more than a week. The end result? Our customer delivers their client requirements on time, collects revenue on time, and never loses a client. We are seeing this requirement across different verticals from e-commerce to marketing automation companies. For some of these companies, the problem is so bad that they are not only using our product, but also working with us to enhance the product for additional use cases in customer retention and expansion. So, can we make enough money doing this? I think we can, because there are a lot of companies making a lot of money selling to enterprise SaaS companies. Let me give you a few examples. Atlassian, the company behind Jira, makes close to $2 billion a year with a market cap of $55 billion. Companies like Gainsight, Pendo, and ClickUp are making hundreds of millions of dollars selling to enterprise SaaS companies. They have all become unicorns. In fact, the total market value of all the companies selling to enterprise SaaS industry is well over $100 billion. And let me share another kicker. Enterprise SaaS is still less than 25% of the global enterprise software market. We have barely scratched the surface. Our market size is expected to reach $10 billion in the next 7 years. 10 years back, software was eating the world. And in the next 10 years, SaaS will eat software. And in this as a service world, companies delivering value to their customers faster at scale will become the winners. Join us in this journey to reimagine customer-centric collaboration among teams for scale and speed. Thank you.